Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you my med kit. I made some changes from my last video I did probably a couple months ago. So I'm going to show you what's in here. And before we get into what's in my med kit, please share our content on your social media platforms so we can grow. We're literally 2 subscribers away at the time I'm filming this from 160 subscribers. Also, if you want to send me mail or network or whatever, you can click in the about section and I have an email for that. So just in case you want to do that. So this is my med kit. So on the outside, I have like this rescuing tool. It's pretty cheap, but yeah, it's cool though. And you could use it to like cut seatbelts, stuff like that. A red Sharpie, because you may have to mark on somebody's head how long you put the tourniquet on. I also have a CPR mask with a carabiner. I need to practice CPR. I want to get CPR trained. I'm not that really good at it. Also, I have some scissors. Yeah, I'm really tired. So, and then it's attached to a power cord bracelet because it kept falling off. So, yeah. Also, I have a little flashlight to like examine things. And this bag's really nice. It's like a little sling bag. I would take this with my bug out bag, but it's not in it. So, it's really nice. Has the American flag because America is the best country. So, let's start in the first pouch. The first pouch, you have an old-fashioned tourniquet. I have a better tourniquet, but as an extra, I got that for free. 10 pairs of gloves. Gloves are at the top because you put gloves on first, and you would need them. Super glue. Obviously, this isn't the best decision, like best choice, but you could replace this for sutures. I don't have sutures or a zip stitch or stitches or whatever. So, yeah. So I got some super glue. I also have a couple alcohol prep pads. This is a trauma and ouchie boo boo kit. I also have some gauze. I think I have some more. Yeah. I have a couple bandages. Alcohol prep pads, bandages. Okay. So, going in the next compartment. So, in this compartment, I have a little medical book. The reason why I have this is just in case maybe somebody in my family is using the bag that I don't know, or if I get hurt. But also, in an emergency situation, you may get nervous and forget your training. So this is all bookmark, so you could always reference. It's like heart attacks, rescue breaths, all that good stuff. I would recommend you always have like a simple basic hand guide in your med kit. I have a burn kit. I have stuff for like extreme second degree burns, like burn dressings, and then I have like a bunch of smaller stuff for like sunburn and stuff like that. One sec. Like a burn dressing, another burn dressing, yeah. And then I have some stuff like that. One sec. Just gonna put it all away. Yeah. I forget where I think I got this from BowBox, but I haven't had to use it, which is good. But yeah, I'll just put that away. Also, I have an orange bandana. Bandanas are good for survival. Also, you could signal with this, but with this, you can use this as a makeshift bandage. Not recommended, but you could. Also, you could tie a splint with it, which I don't have a splint currently, but I'm gonna get that in the future. So we have a couple masks if somebody's sick or if you're dealing with a virus or whatever. And then I have a big bandage for more trauma stuff. And then I have a clotting thing. I don't know what it's called, but I know how to use it. So, also I have a more advanced tourniquet. This one was really expensive, but it's really nice, so. One sec. I also go through this regularly, so that's always good. You should always go through your stuff regularly and make sure you have everything and all that stuff. So, this is my med kit. It's pretty basic compared to other people's, but it's easy to carry. It's very lightweight. That was the whole intent, to make it very lightweight. So, goodbye everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video of my med kit, and everybody should have a med kit if they don't. This is not all my medical supplies. This is just like a quick grab and go, easily carried, very like lightweight. So please smash that like button and subscribe and share our videos. Please subscribe. We're only 2 subscribers away from 160 subscribers. Goodbye, everybody. Happy Prepper out.